international du paddle mondial à Madrid pour ces masters. Ça y est, on connaît tous les vainqueurs et pour cette dernière, nous étions obligés de tout demander à Daniel Paty qui est avec moi, président international de paddle. Bonjour Daniel.
Bonjour à tout le monde, bonjour à tous les Français. Bonjour.
Alors Daniel, on a plusieurs questions à te poser. First question, can you resume this first year?
Okay, to resume this year is very difficult because it was full of magnificent events. We had from the international point of view of the International Padel Federation very successful European Padel Championships in Estoril. I feel it was full recovered and recorded with your camera, Frank. We had also recently a very nice South American Amateur Championship with more than 600 people playing till 2 and 3 in the night in Brazil. We had this year also the South American Teams Championship in Chile. It was also an amazing tournament with Argentina, Paraguay, Brazil and Uruguay, and of course Chile that hosted the tournament. We had also the Masters, that it was unbelievable nice tournaments, and also with two champions that arrived to capture this trophy, because in the last editions, for one thing or for another thing, they were not able to capture this. Then more than 80 tournaments and championships all around the world. No, it's a very, very successful year from the sportive point of view. From the international point of view, like our development, this was also very exciting because we include different federations from Estonia, from Denmark, from Norway, from different countries. I visited Africa, and then we will have very soon news to include countries from the continent who is till now not represented in the International Federation. Then also from the associations and federation was very, very good. Then we closed this year with the target to be better in the 2018, but it will be difficult because this year was really very, very good.
You talk about all the countries with us around the paddle, and I would like to ask you when the paddle in the Olympic Games.
Oh, okay. This is a question that comes every time. When, I don't know. I already reported that we are working for that. We are working to be exhibition game in Tokyo 2020. If not, we hope we will be able to
Paris?
In Paris, in your city, in your country, in the 2024, and really I cross the fingers to be there. If not, okay, Los Angeles to 2028. But
you are talking with them.
We are talking. We are making all our deals with the right people that could introduce us, that could suggest us to perform our candidacy in the best way. Of course, we are not alone in this world. There are plenty of sports that want to be in the Olympics. It's not easy, but we have our small possibilities.
If we have the Olympic Games in the Mexico, sure, we get the paddle.
Well, the paddle you saw is growing, and is very. Then it's undepending on you or me. The paddle is growing in any case. Then I am sure we will arrive to be in a sport demonstration and a sport official discipline sport in the Olympic Games. When is very difficult to reply, but okay. We have all the characteristics to be there.
So about next year, about the calendar, I think there is many things. Can you tell us where we have to go to be?
Well, the first important and official tournament will be the Champions Cup. This is a tournament that was held in the 2003, 2004, 2005 and 6. that we make again. This is with the champions of every country will be in one Champions League and Champions Cup. The intention is to bring the first edition to South America, to Punta del Este in Uruguay. It will be defined in the next coming days. If not, okay, we will find an alternative, but for sure this tournament will be the first important tournament of our FIP calendar. Then we will have in the summertime all the qualifying rounds for the World Championship. The World Championship will be at the end of October, beginning of November in Paraguay, in Asunción, with very good facilities, mainly indoor, because Paraguay is a very hot country and well, the climatic conditions are very tough, but we will be there, and it will be for sure a successful championship, and it will be the first time that we will have 16 female teams. That is very important.
The most important. That's the most important.
For sure. The World Championship, the official, absolute World Championship, is the most important tournament we will have in all the year. But we will have at the end of August the first edition of the World Seniors Championship. And this is very important for the seniors. This is very important for the seniors. It's good news for them. We will bring them to Malaga, or we will invite them to come to Malaga from all the world. We will have different categories up to 55 years old. Ladies, guys, it will be perfect. Guys, the seniors. But
where is it?
In Malaga, in Malaga region. In Malaga region, we are not defining if it will be in the Malaga city or in some city around Malaga, but the region will be Andalusia, of course. It will be at the end of August. Then we will have in November the Pan American Juniors Championship. That is also very important in Brazil. And we are working to try to celebrate for the first time the European Junior Championships. We are working with the European federations.
Okay, so a lot of stuff.
A lot of trips for you. A lot of trips for you. No, I hope we will see each other in all these events. And of course, there are not. These are the championships, but we will continue to have all the championships in every country, that there are more and more requests to FIP 100, 250, 500. We will have more tournaments, more circuits, more possibilities for the people to enjoy. We will have also some friendship events now in January. It will be in Finland, a super event that is sauna, fishing, making the hole in the ice in the lakes or in the sea, and paddle. And we will have also in May in Italy again one veterans invitation championship, just to prepare the people for the World Championship. We will have every weekend some activity in our world.
Last question: will you participate to the World Championship of the veterans?
You? No. Yes, I will participate, giving the prizes, giving the trophies. No.
Pepe, why not? Oh,
I have to maintain my level. You know, I could not show to the people how is my level. No. I will be there.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes, together. Yes, we could try to play together. Okay, thank you very much, Daniel. And it's time to eat. And to play, maybe.
It's time to eat, but it's also a time to give to the French people to thinking about to include official tournaments in our calendar. For us, we are waiting since long to have official tournaments in France included in the FIP calendar, and this is my wish for this Christmas and for the next year.
Allez, vous avez tout compris. Le dernier mot du président de la Fédération internationale de paddle qui lance cet appel. Nous aimerions faire un grand tournoi en France, un tournoi international. À vous, les clubs, de vous signaler auprès de la fédération pour éventuellement proposer ce grand tournoi. Sur ce, eh bien, on vous dit à très vite. Ciao.